Hey everyone, this is Howard from Oris, and we're doing another unboxing video. And today we'll be checking out the latest addition to the GIGABYTE KVM family, the M27Q-P gaming monitor. The M27Q-P monitor provides the same fluid 1440p gaming experience as its predecessors. It's equipped with GIGABYTE's SuperSpeed IPS panel that provides 1 millisecond G-to-G response time while maintaining IPS-grade colors. This monitor sports a 27-inch non-glare display that natively supports a 165Hz refresh rate and can be overclocked to 170Hz with adaptive sync technology. The monitor stand can be hand-screwed into the arm, and then the arm, in turn, can be easily installed into the monitor through a simple click mechanism. This monitor is also visa-mountable if you plan on using a different stand. Now, inside the box, you will find your warranty card, and there are a number of different power cables that support various different types of outlets. Then we have our usual HDMI cable, DisplayPort cable, and lastly, you get the USB cable, which is used to enable GIGABYTE's utility software for monitors called OSD Sidekick. The monitor itself carries a clean look with a matte black finish around the back and on the stand. The M27Q-P is a great multi-use monitor for gamers, creators, and for everyday use with a flicker-free display and its low blue light screen that allows users to use it for longer while reducing eye fatigue. It also has height adjustments of 5 inches and tilt adjustments from -5 to 20 degrees, though it doesn't have pivot or swivel adjustments. Before we continue, we notice that most of you who are watching these videos aren't subscribed yet. So be sure to hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on the latest products that we release. As the next generation of the M27Q, the M27Q-P is designed with an improved panel that provides an even better viewing experience. This monitor also supports High Bit Rate 3 through its DisplayPort to allow for higher bandwidth for the fastest refresh, full color depth, and HDR at the same time. The bottom of the monitor also has various ports like DisplayPort 1.4, 2 HDMI 2.0s, USB Type-C for KVM, the headphone jack, a USB 3.0 upstream port, and 2 USB downstream ports. As the name suggests, the M27Q-P supports KVM functionality, which allows users to toggle between multiple devices using the same set of keyboard and mouse. You can find the KVM switch on the rear of the monitor next to the joystick that can be used to control the display settings. Of course, if you want to control monitor settings directly from your PC, you can find and download the OSD Sidekick app on the GIGABYTE product page. Users can also enable game assist settings such as black equalizer, picture-in-picture, timers, crosshairs, and much more from our software. All these features add up to make the M27Q-P a very well-rounded monitor with a versatile feature set at a great price point. It's a compelling option for any gaming setup that wants to upgrade from 1080p gaming onto 1440p. We hope you enjoyed this unboxing of the M27Q-P. If you're interested in this monitor, please check out the links in the description. And if you like these type of unboxing videos or found the content to be useful, be sure to hit that like button and leave a comment down below on what product we should unbox next. You can check out our other unboxing videos here and an unboxing of the M27Q, the original version of this monitor, up here. We'll be back next Thursday to unbox an all-new product for you guys. Once again, guys, my name is Howard from Oris, wishing you a happy building season, team up, and fight on.